Hello. I have started my learning how to sew career or hobby, and I had to order some items because I didn't have anything except for the sewing machine. I took a sewing class, and when I say the last day of the class, the teacher took everything back. She took all her stuff back. So I don't have thread or anything. I've been saving up for a few months, just in general for something, because I'm like, I know I'm gonna wanna buy something that's like at least $100. So I started just saving up a little bit for my paycheck the last few months. And the day came because I needed to buy sewing materials. So I got my materials from this website. They had everything way cheaper because I was looking at Michael's and stuff, and overpriced. Even Walmart was more expensive than I'd like. But I was looking at the items on here, and this is like a site. This is like a site that sells items by bulk. I'm going to show you what I got as my beginner items. One of the first items I got was a ruler. I specifically got a see-through one that will help with marking. This is gonna come in handy when cutting fabric and whatnot. Then I got, what is this? Oh, I got some tailor's chalk. Like I said, they didn't really sell this as individuals. They sold like a pack. So it was about maybe $10 for the whole pack. And I'm like, well, I don't need that many. I only need like 2. I just felt better buying these and having them forever instead of going to Michael's and buying 2 for $10, or at least like $8 when I can have a whole pack for 9 something, so $10. That's what they're looking like. Also got sewing clips. I was excited to try the clips because when I was taking my class, the pins were cool, but I'm like, if I didn't have to use the pins as often, that would be nice. I did not want to shop on Amazon if I didn't have to, but I did find that there were like a 50 pack of clips for like $15. It seemed like that was a decent deal, you know, looking at it like, okay, I guess. But then I saw this one, it was like 100 for like $5. Like, of course. And there's so many in here. Then I got these scissors. I was doing research on different scissors, and I wanted a good pair that I wouldn't have to replace anytime soon. They're so nice looking, and the reviews were amazing. Apparently people have had these scissors for over 40 years. These are strictly for fabric, or you're gonna regret it. So I don't wanna sit here with regret. The last bit of items are in here. Okay, so I got a rotary cutter. I got a 45mm. This is what it's looking like. I got this sewing gauge. I'm like, let me get something so I know and I'm not making estimates, because sometimes my estimates are pretty off. Unless when it's cooking, my estimates are good. Then I got a seam ripper. I specifically wanted one with more grip and like some rubber on it. And apparently I got the 75-cent one as well, just to have 2. Some needles for my sewing machine. So I got a jeans one, a universal one. I also got a pack of pins just to have. I like the pins with the ball points at the top. I think it's just a preference thing because as a student in that class, the ball ones helped a lot. And then the last items I got are all thread. The 3 colors of 100% cotton I got are white, black, and navy. Those are the 100% cottoners. And I was just gonna get the cotton ones, but I figured, oh, and I got like a navy black and a cream. I got the polyester ones because apparently they're stronger and more sturdy, but also for me to like do my beginner projects on. So if I mess up or anything like that, it's with the polyester blend before I get into my cotton fibers. So I got some items from a local shop that I didn't even know about. My friend got me some sewing items for my birthday, but she took me to go pick the items out. So I'm just throwing this in there. I got this pack of measuring tape from Amazon a long time ago. I just have these. So the first item I got were 2 things of elastic, so that, you know, if I make a pair of pants or something that needs elastic, I have some elastic to try out. I got 2 zippers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but I figured it might be good to have zippers in your stash. So I got these 2 navy zippers. Then I got some threads. These ones are polyester threads, so I got like this creamish color one, like a hunter green, a dark green, but it's like a lavender. Then I got some buttons. So I got these ones. These, you can kind of see it a little bit. And then these ones are really cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but when I finally get around to the button part, that's gonna be fun. I'm editing the video right now and I forgot these buttons. They're these cute blue buttons, they're really cute. But the last item that I got, I had this for a long time just for having a sewing kit. I've had this for years, but my sewing kit tin full of a bunch of, what are these called? Safety pins and a needle for like a sew-in for the hair, and just random tools. This was my sewing kit before I got into sewing. And I feel like I have everything I need now to start a project. I already know what my first project is, so that's gonna be another video. Bye, thanks for watching.